Okay, quick update on the wintered eggplants and peppers. So we've got a little bit of growth here. So this one survived. We got a little bit of growth here and a little bit of growth bud there. So this one survived. This one just came in today. We've got a little bit of growth here. This is another pepper. So this one survived. I believe these leaves are outside. They actually need to come off, but yeah, we got a little bit of growth here. So that one survived. This is the one I really trimmed really hardcore on the roots and stuff, and I don't see anything on this one yet. This one may not have survived. This is an eggplant, and this eggplant obviously survived. It's doing well. So yep, so right now these are wintered. That's the update. Have a great day.